Hello again everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am at Glasscutters Arms in Wordsley, Stourbridge. And I'm here as usual for a game of crane green bowls. It's the first time I've ever been to this club, and it's a great venue, lovely little three-hander, plenty of seating, covered area. Yeah, it's very little interesting green. Just a little bit of background on the Glasscutters Arms. It has a history that reaches back to the last half of the 19th century, when glassmaking and decorating were important industries in the Stourbridge area. The pub was built to serve the workers of the local glasshouses, one of which was operated by the Northwood brothers, John and Joseph, who were famous for their cameo carvings. In fact, there is a statue of John in one of the entrances to the Merryhill shopping centre, which is just round the corner from here. It's a pub that really embraces the sport and the local community. It's such a shame that a lot of other pubs want to get rid of the bowling greens and put tables and chairs on there, and it's only when they get rid of the bowlers that they realise how much they put behind the bar. It's a Tuesday night, and it's six aside, but there's supporters from both sides. And without this support, the pub wouldn't take, I don't know, maybe £200-300 tonight. You do that every week, and it soon adds up. And then once the bowlers have gone, they never come back. And the amount of times the pubs close or the trade suffers. If you have any comments or questions, please do drop them below. I always reply, and also if I've made any mistakes, please do correct me. I'm not infallible. I'm just doing this as a little hobby to look after the greens, and I'll see you on the next one.